Folks, we're putting a stop to insurance companies gaming the networks and making them reveal any hidden facility fees. They got to reveal them. And for the first time in history, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau and the Department of Health and Human Services and the Department of Treasury are teaming up to investigate whether healthcare providers promoting medical credit cards are violating federal law. Third, we're lowering prescription drug prices for seniors and people with disabilities. With your help, I signed into law the Inflation Reduction Act. Among the many important things it does, it finally gives Medicare the power to negotiate lower prescription drug prices. Like the Department of Veterans Affairs does now. We've been trying to get this done for decades. I don't know how many times I made this speech on the floor of the United States Senate. Many. Along with many others, but now. And this time we finally beat Big Pharma. Seniors on Medicare who are paying as much as $400 a month for insulin are now paying $35 a month. And I might add, the guy who invented the insulin, he didn't even patent it because he thought everybody should have access to it. It cost $10 to make. To packages made as high as $13. They're still making 3 times what it cost them. It's not like they're being cheated. You know, we also closed the total out-of-pocket drug costs for seniors on Medicare at $2,000 a year, even for expensive drug costs like cancer drugs are $10,000, $12,000, $14,000 a year. Today, the Department of Health and Human Services released a report showing that when these provisions go into effect, they don't go into effect until 2025, 1 in 3 Medicare beneficiaries, that's nearly 19 million people, will save an average of $400 a year. Seniors with the highest drug costs will save an average of $2,500 a year. This is going to reduce out-of-pocket spending by Americans by nearly $7.5 billion annually. And guess what? It matters. When we're negotiating the issue on whether the government's going to stay open, I spoke to some of my MAGA Republican friends. It not only saves the consumer, it saves every taxpayer. You're not paying that extra $7 billion because Medicare doesn't have to take the out-of-pocket and pay it.
Greetings, friends. Big changes are expected to be made to monthly benefits. The Social Security Administration expects to see the average Social Security payment increase, and direct payments worth up to $475 are set to arrive in just 3 days to help eligible residents with their monthly expenses. My dearest friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video, especially if you receive Social Security benefits. Also, friends, I will be announcing winners every week for the Walmart gift card giveaway. If you'd like to enter these weekly giveaway, friends, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. My dearest friends, the more videos that you watch and then comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. Also, at the end of today's video, I will be announcing the winners of today's giveaway, so please stay tuned. The amount you receive in Social Security is based on 2 factors: your earnings record and the age at which you file for benefits. But the amount you receive is not fixed for life. Every year, the Social Security Administration adjusts payments based on the rate of inflation. The cost of living adjustment goes into effect in January of each year and applies across the board to all recipients. But the average amount the Social Security Administration pays out to all recipients actually tends to change on a monthly basis as more and more beneficiaries are added to the system. As of December 2022, the average Social Security payment for retirees was $1,681. This jumped up to $1,825 for January 2023, thanks to the cost of living adjustment. So there is no way of predicting with accuracy the amount of the average Social Security payment in the summer months of 2023. It's important to bear in mind that this doesn't mean that your payment will reach that number. It's just the average amount that will be reported by the SSA. The payment that you receive in January will remain fixed for the remainder of the year. After decades of meager cost of living adjustments, the Social Security Administration really pumped up payments for recipients in 2022 and 2023. This was in response to skyrocketing inflation rates, which also hit 40-year highs in mid-2022. For 2022, the COLA was 5.9%, while the 2023 COLA hit 8.7%. This boosted the average monthly Social Security payment for retirees to $1,657 for 2022, and then $1,825 for 2023. With inflation falling throughout this year, Social Security recipients should expect that their COLA will be significantly lower than in 2023, and perhaps even lower than what they received in 2022. While it's hard to know with certainty what the inflation will do in the summer months of this year, there are already projections out as to what the COLA will be in 2024. According to Mary Johnson, the Social Security and Medicare policy analyst for the Senior Citizens League, the 2024 COLA should be in the neighborhood of 3.1%. If you are receiving Social Security benefits, there's not much you can do to increase them other than wait for the next year's COLA. But if you're still in the workforce, there are two primary ways to bump up your benefit, according to Yahoo News. The first is to maximize the amount you earn every year. The SSA calculates your benefit based on the 35 top earning years of your working career, up to the annual wage base. This year, for example, the Social Security wage base is $160,200. So the more you earn up to that limit, the higher your benefit will ultimately be. And the second way to boost your payout is to delay filing for benefits. Full retirement age, or the age at which you are entitled to your full Social Security benefit, is 67 for most Americans. However, you can file for benefits as early as 62 or as late as age 70. Remember, for each year you delay filing after age 67, your monthly payment amount will jump by a whopping 8% to a maximum of 24% if you wait to file until you're age 70. So dear friends, what are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know what your thoughts are in the comments section below. Residents of the state of Arkansas who have successfully applied for and been approved for the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program can anticipate receiving their benefit payments within 3 days. These payments will be dispersed across multiple counties. The program extends its service to all 75 counties in the state of Arkansas. And as per the Central Arkansas Development Council, payment distribution will commence on July 10th in 19 specific counties. The program offers a maximum relief amount of $475 for cooling expenses, with a minimum payment of $48. It will continue to operate until the allocated funds are depleted, serving as a means to assist Arkansas residents in minimizing health risks associated with inadequate cooling methods during the hotter months of summer. Well, my beautiful and marvelous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Friday. My dear friends, I want to thank all of you so much for being part of this community. And the two winners of today's Walmart gift card giveaway is Leon Chambers and Charles Wesson. Congratulations to both of you. My dearest friends, to claim your gift cards, please check your notifications page and send me a message. Or you could message me on my Facebook page. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and very blessed Friday.